Hi, this is Quantribe. Welcome to my channel. I'm excited to explore a new feature TradingView just recently added to its platform, options. As an expert in options, I was curious to see how TradingView has implemented this tool. Options are notoriously complex and quite a risky instrument, so I firmly believe that community needs better education in options, and also better tools needs to be implemented for all traders to be able to evaluate their risk and make better decisions in terms of option trading. In this video, I will review what TradingView has rolled out for options and how it stack up in terms of usability, educational resources, and risk management features. So let's dive in and see what they've done. So to find options, you need to click on products menu item on the home screen and then choose options. As you can see, it's still in beta, but let's explore it. So here I have this option screen, and it seems like it has three types of information available to you. So there's like strategy builder, chains, and volatility. And here you can select any instrument that has options, and it seems like they have options both on equities and on futures. So this is pretty nice. So there's quite a lot of information. So let's explore first strategy builder. So idea in strategy builder is pretty simple. So here on the left, you have all kinds of standard structures people usually trade in options. So for example, let's go and select bear put spread. When you click on it, it will display this this strategy, this structure on this chart. Let's change width a bit so we can see it better. So so first of all, they display like a P&L for this strategy. They display it in two ways. So first, in a kind of a green and red line, they show you what your P&L will be at expiry, and this blue line is your current P&L for this strategy. Also, you can choose to display one of the Greeks. So here you can see this is the Vega, but you also can select other kind of simple Greeks as well. So here, for example, I selected the delta force structure, and here on the bottom you have some information. It has like underlying price, max profit, max loss, win rate, break even. So this is a pretty standard information about the options, but still I think it's pretty nice. You can change expiration, at what contract, at what expiry do you want to do this. You can also change the strike for it, and the size of your structure, and so on. So this is kind of pretty basic stuff, but I think still it's a pretty kind of good stuff. Also, you can analyze kind of Greeks summaries for your structure. So this seems to work quite well. And also, if you're not happy about all these strategies, you need something different, you can click on this empty strategy. It will display nothing at first, but you can click create, save your strategy, and here you can add your position or your own. So you can select a couple of options yourself, and you don't need to, so you don't have limitations for it. I don't think it allows you to do kind of cross asset thing. It should be only for S&P, but still you can for single asset you can create your own strategy pretty easily. Now let's explore other tabs you have here. So first is chain. So chain is basically like raw data for your options. So if you see something in the chart and you're not happy, what you can do here, you can go and analyze like every kind of raw value they computed for you. You have all the Greeks here, price, bid-ask, strike, implied volatility for both for calls and puts, and you can go and explore here all the expiries and analyze kind of raw data for your own if you're not sure that TradingView displaying you correct information, or you just need details about the strategy you want to run. And also the third here is volatility. Here they just display kind of implied volatility for you, and if you can select a couple of expiries, and they will show them kind of side by side, so it will be easier for you to understand what's going on and probably select one that works for you. The issue I see here is that you see here on the bottom you have a bit of a bump, and if I will change a contract, for example, like in January 2026, you'll see that the bump become bigger. And the problem, it seems like they compute implied volatility wrong way. So my guess is that when they compute implied volatility, they're using wrong underlying for that. So this bump shouldn't exist. And my guess is this kind of implied volatility curve is wrong. And the problem is that if it's wrong, then your structure will be wrong. So be careful with this tool from TradingView for now. I think they just need to do a bit more work in terms of math to make this thing more robust, so you can avoid this kind of issues, and this kind of implied volatility curve doesn't look really good. And I think kind of as an educational tool, it should be fine, but be careful to kind of make your decisions for now on that. I hope when they will release it, not in beta, but officially to the platform, it will work better, and they will just do a bit more work to compute everything correctly. Of course, there are a lot of things missing. Maybe they can add a bit more kind of risk management thing here. Maybe a bit more interesting things in terms of scenarios or backtesting, but so far it looks good, and I think with the feedback they will collect, they can do something pretty interesting. So I think that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next one.